in the U.S., we have almost 50,000 homeless veterans, half of which have disabilities. We can do better. Help Badge pay it forward to our vets by placing your order at herosoapcompany.com using coupon code BADGE at checkout. That's coupon code BADGE. By doing so, you'll be helping contribute to solutions that help our valued veterans. Help Badge do what he does best. Help others.
I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome. And that's why I'm doing this.
Hey everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. I'm doing this right now by voice. Hopefully you can hear me. So this is going to make it quick before he starts up the engines again. But I have got to show you what's going on outside this boat. We've got an infestation. So let's continue on and I'll show you what I mean. Here's one step. Look at all these mayflies. You think that's a lot? Just wait. This is only a small part. The other 35 pounds went off on the side. I'm zooming in on this. Look at all these mayflies. Oh my Lord. This is what we get infested with every day. Poor guys gotta work hard to get it off the boat. Time to feed the fish.
Get a life jacket on.
Hi everyone. Here's another day. Look at all this. These are mayflies. Mayflies. We are infested with them. They're all over the place. That didn't sound good. We're going through a lot. Look at this. Wait a second. mayflies. We are surrounded by them. We're being invaded. They're going to cart us off. They get enough of them together. Holy shit. They can even lift this old woman. But we'll see what happens. Pray for me.